So hey you guys, today I have another Friday night hair video. So you guys know that these are super quick for me. Today I have the GLS109. So this, in my opinion, is more of like a curlier texture. It has more of a deep wave texture to me. Also this wig has hard lace. If you guys did watch my previous video, that had soft lace, but this unit here has hard lace, so it hasn't been quite updated yet. But however, it still gets the job done. You still can get the look, but I do find that the harder lace does come off a little itchier, but again, it still gets the job done. So you guys are going to see me do two different hairstyles. I am going to give you all a bang today. Curly bang. I think that the scissor look, or the, you know, the curly with the bang, I think that it's a super cute look on me. And it's also super cute, and I thought that this hair texture would be perfect for the look, and I have not done it in a very long time. So yes, and then you guys would see me give a side part, and that was cute as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up so you guys could see how I styled my hair unit. Any other things I have to say to you guys? No, I don't think so. I feel like the curls on this wig unit was a little bit more tanglier, so I felt like I needed to do a bang because of how the curls were pulling out and they were a little tangly. So I felt like the bang would be a cute look for the texture of the hair. So that's why I did that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let this play out and see you guys at the end of this video.